G'day viewers, well I managed to fix my other Opus up. The other one had died, I had it all in parts. I left it for bits and pieces to get parts off and decided, well, I remember I had a corroded board. So I decided to make up a jumper for it and fix it. And sure enough it works. So I got the yeah, be careful those when you do the CIDs. I did reset some CIDs in 3 of these old Sanya heaters. They didn't gas, but I found out the hard way they leaked. And it's jizzed up and arced out the other socket, and this again for the second time, and this time totally destroyed the other socket. So I made my own, a better one. Cleaned all the carbon off. Had a corroded track, so that one of this slot died, and it took another track out, which is part of what runs the whole screen. That all wasn't working at all, so I managed to fix it with a jumper wire. This one actually had the same thing, corroded, and it wasn't as badly corroded. This is my new one, it's got the worst corrosion. But this one was actually killed by a red heater as well, earlier on. So one just had it stuffed up, it actually had a Sanya heater leaked in it. And I took the trace out in the corner of the board near the fan. Same spot as this one here, in there. So I decided to refine this one and re-solder a bad track. Sure enough, this works now. I put it all back together, made up my new socket. Quite like that setup, it's actually better. Now we've got 2 good chargers. So that's actually worked out quite well. Anyway. That's a good quick little video. I just wrapped. Now I've got 2 good Opus chargers. Sweet. Thanks for watching.